My name is Teacher Ashley, and I've been working with VIPKid for about 2 years now. One of the biggest differences that VIPKid has made in my life is I've never loved a job as much as I do this one. It's instantly rewarding and constantly exciting, and I always look forward to it. Remote work is something that's important to my family because we love to travel, we love to go out and adventure. And so with VIPKid, I can take that work with me, and I also have the flexibility to create my own schedule. My teaching style is all about proper pronunciation, grammar corrections, and extension questions. I want the children to be able to take the sentence patterns that they're learning and the vocabulary and put them together in new and exciting ways. One of the things that I hope that the students for VIPKid take away is the sort of quality connection that we make over that 25-minute classroom period. You really do feel like you have a friend on the other side of the world.